Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. If you're new to this channel, hey, it's Itshlengy, and I'm all about hair, skincare, and fashion. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I made this beautiful top that I'm wearing, but I'm going to be using another material which is different from this one, but the top is the same, the design is the same. So this is what you're going to need. So I bought this material from a local material shop. So because I don't have a pattern, I'm going to be using my t-shirt as a pattern. There's no need to rush at the store and buy a pattern or look for it because it's expensive. So just use your t-shirt and be creative. So I'm not a fashion designer, I'm just a person who likes being creative and coming up with things. So this is the top that this is my pattern. So now I'm just going to measure it to make sure that the top that I'm creating comes out perfectly. So yeah. If you like this video, please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to comment down below on my video if you guys really want to see more of these types of videos. Please support my channel by subscribing, share with others, and I'm gonna see you next time. Please rate my tops if you like it. Bye.